In the small-scale workshop, the transition from dimensioning to finishing is often the primary bottleneck. Achieving a production-grade surface usually requires industrial-scale mass, until now. At Wade Media Labs, we launched a mechanical integrity audit of the DEWALT DW735X. We analyzed its dual-speed gearbox, chip ejection velocity, and chassis rigidity.
The heart of the 735X is its 15-amp, 20,000 rpm motor.
We audited the dual-speed gearbox, which allows users to toggle between 96 and 179 cuts per inch for maximum finish fidelity. We measured ejection pressure. Unlike passive systems, the 735X utilizes an internal fan to vacuum chips off the cutter head, maintaining a clean interface and preventing the chip bruising that plagues inferior planers. Snipe is a function of carriage stability. We audited the 4-post column lock and the 19-inch cast aluminum base, which provides double the rigidity of standard folding table designs. We audited the X configuration. By including large in-feed and out-feed tables and a secondary set of knives, DEWALT provides the necessary mechanical overhead for processing long stock material out of the box. Our audit confirms, the DW735X remains the crossover benchmark. For the workshop that demands production specs at a stationary price point, it is a verified mechanical asset. Don't just plain wood, engineer the surface. In the workshop of the home, the DW735X is the only currency that translates power into a glass-like finish. See the full finish logs in our 2026 planar rankings at toolhonestreview.com. Look for the DW735X technical audit.